Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best inversion tables on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Innova Health and Fitness Inversion Table, Standard. This heavy-duty inversion table has soft foam handlebars, a large comfortable backrest pad, and is extremely easy and comfortable to invert. It features a true balance system so that each user can find their balance by adjusting their center of gravity through the adjustable headrest pad, adjustable footrest, and adjustable height. The 6-angle pin slot has a protective cover and can be easily adjusted to get the angle of inversion that you want so that you are comfortable and safe. This is much safer than the old strap systems that require you to dismount in order to adjust it under the table. It can take weights up to 300 pounds and features a reversible ergonomic ankle holding system. Pros: steel frame, ergonomic lumbar support, pinch protection with protective cover, front U-shaped ankle holders with rear foam rollers which can be reversed. Cons: may not be suitable for short people or those with small feet. Number 2. Second best pick is Healthgear ITM 5500 Heat and Massage Inversion Table. A perfect combination of advanced inversion technology, isolated heat therapy, and soothing vibrating massage, this may just be the inversion table for you. Ergonomically designed, it features a contoured backrest with 4 inches of memory foam for support and comfort. The remote-controlled, vibrating massage pad that gives heat to the back can be removed when not required. It features a Sherlock ankle support system that has 4 high-density foam leg rollers that are adjustable and prevent pinching of the legs. To make entering and exiting the table easier, it is fitted with an extra long locking arm. It can be adjusted to accommodate heights between 5.1 to 6.5 feet, has a weight capacity of 300 pounds, and a side inversion pin system with 4 positions. Pros: heavy-duty steel frame construction, foldable space-saving design, inbuilt wheels for transport, non-marring floor caps, lightweight and portable massage pad, multifunction hand controller for easy massage adjustment. Selection of 20 or 40 or 60 or 90 degrees inversion positions. Cons: some find it difficult to bring the inverted table back to an upright position. Number 3. Third best pick is Teeter FitSpine Inversion Table LX9. This inversion table features an arched frame with a boarding platform that makes climbing on and off very convenient. The stainless steel ankle lock has an extra long handle to make it easy to operate, while its extra long stretch max handles and traction handles add to the options for decompression. Its FlexTech bed with 8-point floating suspension system lifts off its hard steel frame for added comfort. It features a lumbar bridge for deeper traction of the lower back and acupressure nodes to relieve painful muscle tension, both of which are removable and adjustable. Simple arm movements shift your body weight to return to the upright position. Its easy angle tether has 3 preset angle markings for easy adjustment. The ergonomically designed wraparound ankle cups add to the comfortable experience. Pros: safety certified, FDA registered, easy to reach Deluxe lock, easy to store, convenient storage caddy, weight capacity of 300 pounds, can accommodate heights between 4.8 feet to 6.6 feet. Cons: some may find it difficult to assemble. Number 4. Fourth best pick is HARISON Inversion Table. One of the best inversion tables for back pain, this one's constructed with a heavy-duty steel frame and seamless welding and has a weight capacity of 350 pounds. This sturdy and durable table features a safety belt, ankle holders, sponge-covered footrest, protective pedal cover and cap, non-slip nuts and mat, and secure handles to make it extra safe. Its true balance design ensures that you don't take a sudden topple off the table. The position of the table can be set to 4 different angles, including 180 degrees to relieve neck and back pain and release spinal pressure. The ergonomically designed 3D backrest features premium quality memory foam and contours to your waist curve. Pros: adjustable height, foam-covered full-loop handlebars, easy-to-reach ankle pin locking system, ergonomic and reversible ankle holding system, adjustable rear foam rollers with front holders at ankles. Cons: some feel it should have more intermediate settings. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Exerpeutic Inversion Table. This inversion table comes with the unique feature of an adjustable heat and vibration massage pad for extra support and comfort. It offers you 2 massage options and 3 intensity levels of vibration which you can monitor from the control panel. For extra safety, it has a triple locking system for the ankles, a primary angle lock, a secondary auto safety lock that is gravity assisted and spring activated, and a visual lock indicator. This innovative inversion table automatically locks your feet with its auto-engaged safety lock when inverted. It has a weight capacity of 300 pounds and can be adjusted for people heights between 4.10 feet to 6.6 feet. Pros: heavy-duty steel frame, full-loop handlebars, 3-inch thick ergonomically contoured backrest, UL certified. Cons: the rod may not be as long. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.